It's time to replace our crappy toilet. So, like many people that have the Dometic 300 series toilet, they may or may not know this, that the smell is not coming from the black water tank. The smell is coming between the bowl and the base. It holds water. I've already pulled it out once and took it apart, replaced all the seals, well actually siliconed all the seals, and the smell came right back. It was a DIY fix. I saw YouTube videos, a lot of different YouTube videos where they said it worked. Maybe I did something wrong, but it wasn't it was a temporary fix until I figured out what our next options were. So it didn't last very long, maybe a month, and then we start getting that smell again. So we knew we had to replace it. So we contacted Dometic. Dometic admitted to the problem, but there's no active recall, like rumors that I've read online. So there's no active recall, but they were quick to say that they would replace the toilet with an equivalent one. Or we could upgrade to the 310 series, which we opted for another $75. Problem is, they were back ordered for 6 months. I wasn't able to get one. But Camping World had one, so I asked Dometic if I bought one off Camping World, would you reimburse us? And they said yes, minus the $75, of course. So they sent us a form, they sent us a diagram. According to the diagram, this isn't going to fit. We'll see. They said we needed 2 inches on the phone. They say 1.5 inches from the flange, or more or less where the screw comes in, to the back wall. Ours is cornered, so I'm unsure if it's going to fit or not. We'll have to see. I'm gonna take it out of the packaging, try to install it. I've already contacted Camping World, and they told me that if it doesn't fit and if it's unused, they will return it. Even though they don't stock that, I can drive it up to the actual store and return it. I had to purchase this online because they did not have anything in any area. We looked at everyone from Georgia to Florida, and no one had anything in stock. So we ordered it online, got it shipped to us in a couple days, and here we are. Time to exchange the toilet. So here it goes. Shockingly, to my surprise, it fits. This is a lot nicer toilet. Has a real lid. It's porcelain base bowl. The base is plastic, and the pedal is plastic. But it literally, I took the old toilet out. The flange was down below. This sat right down inside that flange. The holes are the same size. I didn't have to replace the flange. And if you can see it back there, the freshwater pipe that runs in so the water gets into the toilet, it was long enough, and they pretty much make it the same size. So that worked out really well. The only issue with it is when you lift it up, it hits the wall, but it stays open, and then it has an easy shut lid, like you would at your house. It's really nice upgrade. I'm glad it fits. I know Kim will be happy because the last one wasn't very great, and hopefully our smell will go away. I really hope so. So to explain a little bit better the problem with the 300 series toilet, so there it is. I already removed it. There's a space between here and the base, and water gets down in there. Not really water, but black water. So because it's open in the back, you get a lot of smells and odors that come in through the rest of the bathroom because it's open and not closed, and it just kind of festers in there. It's really gross. Sorry, this is a nasty video. But so that I've already taken it apart. I emptied almost a gallon of water out the first time I did it. I put silicone, like I had said, and to no avail. It didn't work. It lasted maybe a month. So thank God this toilet looks like it's going to fit, and we won't have that smell anymore, and this is going to go right in the trash can, and hopefully Dometic gets me my money quick.
Show me the money!
I will update in the comments about how how quickly they get me my money. I'm going to put that form in probably this week. It's Saturday, so I know they're not going to do anything for the weekend, but I'll get the mail together and I'll send it out. So I'll put it in the comments how quickly they got our money back. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. I know a lot of people have this problem, and probably some don't even know it. But there is a permanent fix, and you can get yourself a new toilet from Dometic. There's no recall, like the rumors say, but get yourself a new toilet. This way you don't have to deal with the smell anymore. So like I said, please leave a comment. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button. I'll keep updating some videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.